Hi friends, in today's video we are going to see how to make brinjal dish. So for this, first I'm taking a pan and that I'm adding a little bit of oil, one chopped onion, once the chopped onion gets boiled, I'm adding the brinjal in it. Now I'm adding turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, little bit of salt and mix it well. Now close it for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, add onion leaves and one chopped chili and 100 ml of milk. Now mix it for 2 minutes and close it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, just squeeze one lemon in it and you can serve. Try it. See you next video. Take care. Bye bye.